Please like, share and subscribe to this channel FM Education Academy as I add
In
value
today's video
into your
lecture,
lives.
we are going to see a question of chapter Arithmetic Progressions of Maths Class 10th, which is present for CBSE as well as SSE. And this question is in exercise 5.2 of NCERT textbook of CBSE and on page 106 of question 6, and it is present in exercise 6.2 of SCERT textbook of SSE of page number 144, question 6. This question is based on the concept of nth term, which is an. We know there is only one formula of an, which is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So using that nth term concept, we are going to solve today's question. The question is, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2. So here in the question it is clearly telling me that this is an AP. So series of AP is given to me in the question. If series of AP is given in the question, I don't have to check whether it is AP or not. Already I am verified that it is an AP. Now in an AP, if I am given AP, I can know what is the value of first term A1, that is equals to A. So what is the first term in this AP? The first term in this AP is 11. What is the second term A2? 8. What is the third term A3? 5. And the fourth term A4 is 2. Now in this series, the last term is not given to me. It's okay. We'll continue solving. Now, since it is an AP, I know it is an AP, so I can find out the common difference D. What is common difference D? The formula for common difference D is second term minus first term. I don't need to find out 2 times D value because already it is given me that it is AP. That is why I'm just finding out one time. D is equals to A2 minus A1. The formula of common difference. So D is equals to, substitute the value of A2, 8 minus, what is the value of A1? 11. So 8 minus 11 is minus 3. Always be careful. The bigger number between 8 and 11 is bigger here. So 11 is having minus sign. So D is equals to minus 3. So I got the value of my first term 11 and I got the value of common difference as minus 3. Now I'm not given the value of an and I'm not given the value of n also. So at least one thing I'm given one hint that I have to check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So check whether minus 150 is a term means it is telling me that minus 150 can be a term of the AP. Minus 150 can be a term of the AP means here 11 is a term of an AP, 8 is a term of an AP, 5 is a term of an AP, 2 is a term of an AP. So similarly I have to check whether minus 150 will fit to this AP series or not. That is minus 150 can also be a term of the AP or not. So I will assume that minus 50 be my nth term. So I am assuming that let minus 150 be my nth term of the AP. And I know that n term is indicated by an. So an is equals to minus 150. So I have a term, I have d, I have an. Now I can substitute in the formula of nth term, which is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of an is minus 150. Substitute. The value of a is 11 plus, I'm not given the value of n, so write as it is, into d. What is d given to me? D given to me is minus 3. Simply open the bracket. How to open the bracket? First term into first term and first term into second term. So minus 150 as it is 11. Now here if you observe, first term into first term, minus 3 into n. Minus 3 into n is minus 3n. Here first term into second term, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Now we know how to solve this? By linear equations, we know variables on one side and numbers on other side. So 11 and 3 are numbers here. So send this on the LHS. So minus 150 minus 11 minus 3 is equal to minus 3n. Now all are negative signs. That is, when signs are same, we know we have to add the numbers. So add these numbers 150, 11 and 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1 is as it is. So 164. So I am getting 150 plus 11 plus 3 is 164 and here the bigger number between these 3 is minus. So minus 164 is equal to minus 3n. Now on the LHS also I have minus, on the RHS also I have minus. So I can cancel both the minus on the both sides. So minus gets cancelled. So I need n from this. So n is equals to 164 as it is. This is into 3. Into 3 if it goes that side it becomes divided by 3. Now let us see whether 3 is divisible by 164 or not. 3 5s are 15, 6 minus 5 is 1, 4, 3 4s are 12, 4 minus 2 is 2. We know 2 is not divisible by 3, that is 2 does not go in 3 table. So here I can see that on the remainder, in the remainder I am not getting the value as 0. As I am not getting the value of remainder as 0, I can say that 164 is not divisible by 3. That is, I am getting the value of n as a fraction, that is 164 by 3. 164 by 3 is an improper fraction, and that can also be written as 54 2 by 3. 54 2 by 3, that is a mixed fraction. So we know that n, what is n here? N is number of terms. Number of terms cannot be fraction. As number of terms cannot be fraction, we can say that this is not an AP. Always remember, n should be a positive integer. Integers are 1, 2, 3, 18, 17, 23, 27, 373, like that are integers. Integers are not fractions. So remember, whenever you get the value of number of terms n as fractions, it is not a series, because number of terms cannot be fractions. Because even if I am given the series, for example 11, 8, 5, 2, I cannot say, right, 51 by 3 terms are present in the series. How can I say 51 by 3 terms are present in the series? Similarly, I cannot say 164 by 3 terms are present in the series. We know that in decimals we cannot specify whether terms are present or not. Decimals and fractions both are same. So fractions, we cannot say that number of terms are fractions, that is, we cannot say that 164 by 3 terms are present. Either we should say 164 terms are present, or I should say 2 terms are present. Like, I mean to say that only integers can be number of terms. Number of terms can be only integers. So number of terms cannot be fractions. So I'm getting the number of terms as fraction, because I'm not getting the value of remainder as 0. Since I'm not getting the value of remainder as 0, I'm getting a fraction. There is but number of terms, n cannot be a fraction. Therefore, I can say that n should be a positive integer. So that is the reason that this minus 150 is not a series of the AP. Therefore, minus 150 is not a series of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So remember, in the questions like this, where it is asked to check whether some number is a term of the AP, it means that always you have to find out the number of terms n value in the question. If you're getting an integer, that is 18, 17 or 27, or integers you're getting, then well and good, you can say that this term is a series of the AP. Suppose if you don't get the value of n as an integer, if you get the value of n as fraction, you have to say that that number is not a term of the AP. So the condition for any number to be of a term of the AP is that the number of terms should be a whole number. Check whether means I have to check whether this term is a series of the AP. That is, I have to check whether minus 150 can be an. So here we know that an cannot be minus 150. That is, it is not possible that minus 150 is a term of the AP. The result as minus 150 is not a term of the AP, as the n value I am getting is a fraction. Hope you have understood this video. If you did, please like the video and also share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.